Morning dust on Addis Road, shoes tap time with open sky, coffee steaming, crowded buses, people moving, reason why. Mama's hands are lined like maps, stories written in each fold. She looks out at cranes and chaos, sees a future made of gold. From their sweat and blood, they're lifting this land up. Her sons are building this country, stone by stone they rise. From their sweat and blood, they water hope like flood. Step by step they write tomorrow in the soil beneath their strides. Young girl with a book held tight, letters bright against her chest, dreams in English, Amharic prayers mixing in her whispered breath. Boys with laptops, spotty power, code by candle chase the dawn. They don't wait for perfect weather, they just build and key on. Hear the market's lay of voices, spice in metal, leather grain. All these hands in busy motion, turning struggle into gain. Mama smiles, her back is aching, still she stands a little tall. If I bend, it's just to plant, so my children won't crawl. From their sweat and blood, they're lifting this land up. Her sons are building this country, stone by stone they rise. From their sweat and blood, they water hope like flood. Step by step they write tomorrow in the soil beneath their strides. Tell me, can you feel it? Heartbeat in the ground, every hammer, every handshake, part of one long sound. From the highlands to the lowlands, from the desert to the rain, every village, every city threads the same bright chain. Roads that twist like old proverbs now run straighter every year. Trains like silver-rooted rivers carry courage, carry fear. But they walk when trains are resting, feet the first and truest tool, learning math between two shifts, nighttime class, fluorescent school. Not just pain, not just scars, but patience, power, pride. They carry mountains on their backs, and still they laugh, they try. Mama holds her youngest sleeping, soft black curls against her arm. Whispers grow, my child, grow wiser. Keep this country safe from harm. Her older son's already working, calloused fingers stained with soil, yet their eyes stay wide and shining. More than wages, more than toil. So walk on, walk on. Hear their story in your stride. Every step a quiet promise, nothing wasted, nothing shy. From their sweetened blood, this red earth turns bright. Her sons are building this country, one her daughters side by side.